Rizzy! Say hi. Wanna hold it? Okay. Okay, let's go.
This is it.
We'll make it fall. Okay, hold on. Go, elevator is elevator.
It's not working. Not one.
The elevator.
Yeah.
Why is your mouth like that?
Para na tsokolate yung kanina.
Maybe see I swear. I know.
What?
I put the shoes on.
1.7
On 7.
months. With 1.7 tayo.
Not bad.
6 months yun.
Magkano kaya yung foam?
Tingnan mo kung ikaw lang. Kita-kita mo sila. Ito na ako. Lagi mo forget.
17 plus yung ano. Foam. Hindi, ang mattress is 4,000 isa. Do you like the mattress, how it feels? Come on, easy, sit down. Do you like it? Check it out.
Ito ayaw.
Riley.
I don't like the drinks.
And also, when I feel sick, it just didn't stop. I was scared. I still. The next it immediately stopped. It immediately stopped.
Your mom.
But it has like a sensor to it.
And cheesecake?
No.
This cut, I'll get some spaghetti latte. So, ba na
Yun yung matamis eh. Yung maasim pala. Ha? Yun yun.
I had to press the button.
Hi! Hi, hi!
Up and down.
Yeah, you're eating a lot of spaghetti. Lots of
A lot of spaghetti.
Yeah, so much spaghetti. And we're having
Ano to?
cheesecake. Ewan ko, receipt. Di ko alam kung sa atin yun.
This
That is ours.
QR code for discount. Hindi, para hindi ka na nilit mamaya pag nag-discount natin.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna show about Hi Riley! Where are you? No? Rion! Hi! Rizzy, what are you eating? Oh, you're still eating cheesecake!
Ang chocolate cheesecake.
Ano plano mo ng mga damit? Kuha ako, diba, kotse?
Si Riley, ako may baon ako nung kay Riz eh.
Si Riley,
Si Riley ang mayroon doon, nasa kotse.
kukunin.
Travel bag yata to. Na laptop bag. Na rin at the same time. So, siguro as a mom, sabi ko maganda talaga siya kasi lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. On the go bag. And hindi siya masyadong malaki. Like, malaki siya, pero hindi siya mukhang masyado. Parang okay lang siya laki. So, ayan. Si Riz, kinain na yung cheesecake ko. Siya na lang mag-isa. Ayun, so, si Beth pumunta sa car ko.
I'm the winner. Riley. I'm winner.
T-shirt ni Riley. Kasi sobrang dumi ni Riley.
And Riley.
Yun nga, nag-move out ako ng closet ko sa room ni Riz. Inalis ko na para yung mga gamit niya, maayos niya dun sa sarili niyang room. Ako naman ang nawalan ng closet. Ayun. So, kailangan ko na ayusin yung closet namin sa room namin. Imagine, 3 years na kami nakatira doon. Ngayon ko palang naayos yung mga bagay-bagay. It's really good, no, na nung nawalan din kami ng yaya, we're able to like see kung ano yung mga kulang sa bahay, ano yung mga kailangan ayusin. Kasi nga, di ba, pag may yaya ka, parang minsan inaasa mo na lang talaga lahat. Tapos, nakafocus ka lang sa work. Ayun, so, okay na din. Like, ngayon, nakakalabas kami walang yaya, walang iniisip, na alagaan naman namin yung mga bata. Ito, it's a long day for us, pero ayan, kumakain namin si Riz, nakakain siya. Si Riley, hindi masyadong masakit sa ulo, basta dala mo yung sweet niya. No, Riley? No, Riley? You're a good boy?
Yes.
Yes. Love you. Okay, and then yung si Rion, maasahan naman na siya kasi he's a big boy. You're a good boy, okay, yeah. Yun, maasahan naman na rin si Rion kasi big boy na rin siya. He's very responsible. So, he also help us look after the kids. Yung siblings niya pala. Siblings niya. So, yeah, so far siguro kaya talaga namin ng walang yaya. We'll see. Kasi August 15, babalik na si Dex sa on-site work. At least once a week, I think. So, malalaman. Kasi may iwan ako mag-isa most of the time sa bahay. Ayun. So, ayun lang. Picture. Later na lang ulit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga items na mabibili namin today.
Lifting close.
Video.
Oh, okay. So what you do here is open this, and then make it hard.
One, two, cheese. Cheese. Okay. Say hi.
He lost his old one.
Okay, smile for me. Riley. Smile, stupid.
Go. He called it.
Easy, come here. Come close.
I lost it. I lost
I know, we're getting it. Okay, Riley, stay here. Stay close. Don't be far. Ay, no. I don't like.
Page
I don't like.
1 of 1. Yes.
More?
No.
Yeah.
Ready ka na?
Are you done?
Dinner na ba yan sila dito? Okay na yan?
Okay na yan.
Good in December. You earn money. The next when you have enough money, you can buy it.
Yeah.
How much?
Riley, what are you
How
doing?
much is the Insta360?
This is around 25,000, I think.
And how many we gave?
I don't know, but yours is going to be like really expensive, Rio. It's 3 times my pro.
Then earn money. Then until
Go.
December.
Yeah.
Then next at Christmas, you can just give it to me.
Yeah, in Christmas.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's enough time. Huy. Alright, so we decided not to get the bed yet kasi binabayaran pa namin yung Insta360 Insta360 ko Ultra. Ano man kung tawag dun?
The one you're using.
Yeah, the one I'm using right now, we're still paying for it. So, That's when I decided we'll buy it in August na.
Mommy, also,
So we can do
when
installment.
when you transfer it to your phone, it actually says Insta360 on the video.
Yeah, it does. No, I intentionally do that. I put the watermark. I have the option to like remove it, but I like to put it because I just like putting it. Okay. So yeah, so that's when I decided not to get the beds muna kasi it's gonna be like so expensive. It's a shared expense kasi for us. We're still paying for the Insta360. But for my
And the car.
for my closet,
In
the car we will still pay that for a year. But anyway, so for the wardrobe or drawer closet, we can't do anything. We still really need to buy it kasi walang paglalagay yung damit ko. So yun muna yung priority niya. So I just got a box yung apat kasi naka-sale. 800 isa. So around 2 itong apat na to. Sing taas siya nung mall. So later pakita ko rin sa rin. Ganoon na lang ginawa ko kasi
really want
masyadong
to
expensive kung dalawang mall. Tapos hindi nga siya kasya sa haba kasi 160. Eh hanggang 140 lang yung haba na pwede namin ilagay dun sa gilid ng kwarto namin. So mamaya papakita ko. Anyway, later, bili mo na akong kape at ako'y kaping-kape na. It's around 8:30. Okay, later, bye.